Right, eggplant, holy basil, Thai basil. We organize the basket, some flower, and this pandan leaf over there. See right here? This a pandan leaf. I want to show you. Thai basil, and look at this chili. It's healthy.
Smells good over here.
At least whatever you can get. Oh, ants. Full smoky flavor. Okay, 3 big chunks. Don't cut small. Big one. So, let me see who choose that holy basil. Let me see your face one more time. The last stir fry.
Oh.
One.
What is
Holy basil.
right?
Spicy one. 1, 2, 3. You know what you choose? You don't remember? Look at your paper.
We did. I did for you, did you?
One. Yeah?
Oh, I did the cashew.
Okay. So if you're scared of spicy, take that out. Use only this Thai chili.
Okay.
Yeah? But if you like spicy, use them all. But this stir fry should be spicy and a bit salty. And we serve with rice and Thai fried egg. This is not in the book, but I will show you. The veggie for pepper and bean here is optional. Because sometimes people just like it only chili, garlic, meat, and basil, that's all. See, like very small. As you can, you know, mince it. You can use the blender, you can use the mortar pesto, smashing it, you can too. I wouldn't use my finger like that, you might touch your eye. You have a spoon like this in front of you, you can do like that, yeah? And so use your finger to touch chili seed, right? And then touch your eye, yeah? Like that. When the chicken white, pickle radish and dry shrimp, yeah? Okay. So use the lighter. Mix. See some juice in there? And now basil. When more heat to cook the meat. When the meat white, not pink anymore, bean, pepper, and sauce. No basil. Yeah, mix. Flip, flip, flip. Okay, gentle, don't throw so you won't burn yourself. Done, finish. That's it.